guys, Kris Gethin here, and today I'm taking you and Sunshine through a chest workout. Now, a lot of women don't generally like to train chest, and rightfully so. However, I believe that females should train the lower pecs. Not so much the upper pecs or middle portion of the pecs, unless you do want your chest, your breasts to disappear. It does happen over time. Obviously, this is fatty tissue. Even on us guys, we've got a bit of fatty tissue there. So that will kind of generally give us a fuller look to the male, but not so much for the female. However, it will work the muscular tissue. But a lot of females have a problem with this area, holding a little bit of fat. She's always complaining about that there. So with that being said, I have days where I like to dedicate towards my upper pecs, middle pecs, or lower pecs. Today I'm going to dedicate more to my lower pec. And pretty much every exercise that we're going to be doing today is going to be standing up or leaning over, not so much lying down like doing a conventional press or fly. I just like to mix things up a little bit like that. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to show you how to go through some various exercises with the machines, with the cables, maybe with a body weight as well, and show you how we can target these lower pecs. All right, starting with the cable crossover first. So I'm going to hit a little bit of the middle and lower fibers by bending over slightly on this one. Then I will go completely down to the lower fibers after I've done a few sets here first. As with all chest exercises, make sure that you keep your shoulders retracted so your front anterior delt doesn't come in and assist. Keep your chest stuck out, back flat. And as I come to the end, I like to straighten the arms a little bit just to get a good contraction in the inner pecs. All right, so that's it. We're done. 3 sets on there, bending over. Now I'm going to do the same thing, except I'm going to be standing completely upright on the next movement, so we can really target from there down to the lower portion of the pecs. Give you that nice sort of V-taper that you get from the flat portion of your pecs that tapers up into your delts. When you're lying back on a bench, it really does isolate this exercise more than what it already is. You're not using any core stability or core assistance. You're eradicating that by leaning back slightly, and your elbows will come slightly forward of your torso, and that really does, you're coming towards your body, really does give an isolated contraction right there, exactly where we're supposed to be targeting in the lower pecs. Yeah, there. I like to put my feet on here and then lean all my weight back. That's it. Come on. You got it, all the way. Yay. That hit the spot. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Go. Push. Push. Come on, one more. Squeeze. That's it. Pretend my head's in between them. Right. Okay, pec deck is what we're going to do now. So on days like this where I'm hitting a lot of cables and machines and stuff like that, I don't generally go as heavy as I would on like free weights, you know, my barbells, my dumbbells and stuff like that. On these particular days, they're kind of like accessory days where I'm just really working on the contraction, the squeeze, the mind-muscle connection, the isolation. So you could kind of consider it as like a shaping day, even though I don't believe in, you know, total shaping with one exercise over the other. That's my focus. You know, I'm really trying to, you know, create a sculpture and fill in the voids and weaknesses that may be left there from the free weights. So what I'm going to do now is lean forward slightly. I'm going to take my pelvis forward, lean back into the machine and create like a decline so I can target these lower pecs. Again, chest stuck out, shoulders retracted. Oh, fuck, that hurt. Perfect. Easy.
Are you straightening them out?
Yeah, you don't have much choice on this exercise. That's it, shoulders retracted, chest out, even at the end of the movement. That's it, perfect, isolates it. And again. Okay, one more like that. Now I'll pull it in for you, okay? Lower it down, lower it down. I'll pull it in, and you're gonna lower it down as slow as you can. Slowly, 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 again. Hold it, hold it. One more, hold it there, hold it there. Good, good. Okay, and release. Perfect. Right, that is it for that exercise. So really, really targeted the lower pecs through several fly movements. Now we're going to go into a pressing movement as our last exercise. All right, last exercise now, going on to a compound movement. Whenever I'm doing compounds, a lot of the time, I always wear straps just to keep my wrists straight and stable. I've broken them before, so I need to make sure that they are not my weakest link. So what I've got is two flat benches here. I've got them either side. I'm going to use this as my bench press, basically. My body is obviously going to be angled, so my feet are going to be on the floor, which will allow me to pivot back and forth so I can target the lower fibers of my pecs when doing this, as opposed to a conventional parallel press. So I've got it wider than shoulder width apart. I'm going to put my thumbs just on the inside here, or if you've got like a headpiece, you can put it there to stop your hands from sliding, but I'm gonna wrap my thumbs around there. I'm gonna come down, get a good stretch, and then up. I'll target my lower pecs as long as my chest is stuck out like that. Perfect. That's it, stick your chest out more. That's it, good. Easy. Good. And again. Perfect, nice. Good, come on. Come on, up, 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 push. And again, one more. Up, 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 up. Yeah. Good. That's a wrap, baby. So that is it, lower pecs done. We obviously hit some upper fibers and middle fibers because I am getting a pump there. You will get a bit of a pump everywhere. So you are going to target some fibers in the upper, middle. However, the priority has been the lower pecs today. And that's exactly what we targeted. And a lot of people will neglect the lower pecs because they want to see what's busting out of their top of their shirt, underneath their clavicles. But the thing is, especially as you get a little bit older, if this is neglecting, you will look like you've got saggy boobs. You don't want that, buddy. You want to make sure that you have a good sculpted chest from top to bottom, middle to outer. Don't be going for the saggy. You'll end up having to go and get some implants done or something. All right, that is it for today's workout. I hope you liked this workout. If you did, you need to let me know. So comment below, like, and subscribe.